First, I would like to extend a warm welcome to every person present over here. I am thankful to everyone present over here for giving me this beautiful and wonderful opportunity to share my words about the most amazing person that ever lived, that is none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. To succeed in your mission, you must have a single minded devotion to your goal. That is one of the very inspirational quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in all hearts. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was indeed one of the most humble, intelligent, wise, selfless, loving, and lovable leaders ever born in this world. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He was the 11th President of India and served the country for one term. Not only this, he was one of the most famous scientists who have worked, and he had highly famous organizations like DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, and ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization in his career. He was really a true gem and a person with no haters. But let us first know little more about him. His full name was Awul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. He was born in a very middle class family. Since the beginning of his days, he was very hardworking and diligent person. He was also a very kind and benevolent person to elders and as well as to others. In his early childhood, he helped his family to earn livelihood along the studies. Being very intelligent and promising student, he started his career and life soon. He faced a lot of hardships on his way to success. There was a time when his sister sold his jewelry to pay his college fees. But after completing his graduation, he joined Defense Department to serve the nation. And from there, the journey of the famous scientist started to a never-ending tale of success to this date. He was one of the various scientists in India who worked for the development of nuclear power. For his work, he also earned various awards and prizes, which were uncountable. Dr. Abdul Kalam was one of the most important figures in the testing of Pokhran 2 in the year 1988. Politics never attracted Dr. Abdul Kalam. He joined Indian National Democratic Alliance in 2002. With the support of Indian National Democratic Alliance, he won the elections and was selected as the President of India. He was a man of dreams and ideas. He dreamt of making India one of the superpowers in the world. His idea was dreaming was really different. He emphasized that dreams are not those which you see when you sleep, but are those which never let you sleep. So, these are the precious words of wisdom. He always encouraged everyone to work hard and not think about the result. He believed if you work hard, you will definitely get the result as well. At last, I would like to say, even though he left us, he is still in our hearts as the inspiration and the motivation. His golden words and miraculous deed will always be remembered. He was a man of high nature and values who taught us the way of to transform our nation, and we shall always be grateful to him. He was popularly known as the Missile Man of India. He was a man of power, status, knowledge, and virtue to this date as well. He was awarded by Bharat Ratna in the year 1997. So his famous quote was, if you want to shine like a sun, first we must burn like a sun. So if we start a speech about his speech about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, it never ends. But he was really a true gem, and he has impacted a lot of positive feelings on every student and person even today. Thank you.